5 cheapest online dollar virtual cards on the internet today. Yes, the Naira cards have once again been opened for international transactions, and this is no longer news. However, you and I know that there is always a limit in the volume of transactions that you can do. And when there is no limit, the rate is so expensive that you begin to wonder, is it even better to keep it locked from international transactions just like they were before? So, today and in this video, I have compiled 5 cheapest online dollar virtual cards which you can use for your online and international transactions, which have ranked from number 5 being the most expensive to number 1 being the cheapest. Of course, you might know 1 or 2 other apps that may offer cheaper rates than 1 or 2 of the apps that I'm about to mention in this video. However, these 5 apps that I'm about to tell you are the ones that I've personally tried myself and also read multiple reviews from customers or users. Please feel free to let me know in the comments if there are other apps that you feel they should make the list in my next video on online dollar virtual cards. Because in the world of the internet, things are changing really fast. Now let's begin. At number 5, we have Cheaper Cash. Cheaper Cash has been an OG in the game and they've moved higher over time. In fact, they've had Burna Boy be the ambassador sometime in the past. Now let's take a look at their rates. Okay, so straight and direct to the point, we open Cheaper Cash. Okay? Yeah, so this is Cheaper Cash right here. And when I come to card right here, so this is my USD card. Yes, and if you want to fund your card, of course, it's as simple as clicking on top up. But you must have at least credited your Naira account, your Naira wallet. So I select this. You see, I don't have any money inside my NGN, so I select this. I want to see the rates and then the amount. Let us assume you can put Naira here. You can just put, let's say, 100,000 Naira right here, and you see you'll be getting 62.68 USD. Or you can click on this like this, and then you say, let's fund with what? $1. Okay, yeah, and you will see that the rate is what? 1595.30 to $1. Okay. At number 4, we have Monica. I recently made a detailed video on Monica app, but in this video we are going to focus more on the virtual card, on the dollar virtual card. And let us look at what Monica has got. So let's head straight to Monica. Okay, Monica, yeah. So I open Monica. The Monica app has the likes of Egungun, of Lagos, Fena, and lots of top celebrities, even Judy Gallo promoting them. Okay, they are big now in the game, including Waterfred 1. Okay, but this is not a sponsored ad though. Yeah, so we have Monica right here, and I come to card. Okay, and when I come to card, you will see the ordering fee, blah blah blah. Let's go to virtual card here, and this is my virtual card. Okay, yeah, and you can see it. I've been using it. I even use it to purchase my Zoom Premium. You can see right here. So when I want to fund it, you click on fund, and I know some of you will be like, fee 2,000 just to fund card, blah blah blah. No, that's not what you should focus on. Now let us just put an amount. Let's assume we put 100,000 right here. Okay, 100,000 is going to, just don't bother about all of this. Just do your division right here with these two values, 100,000 and was 64.26. So let's set to the calculator right now. 100,000 divided by 64.26, I guess, 64.26. So the rate is 1556.17 or 0.18, 1556.18. At number 3 is Gray. This is Gray right here. So I open Gray. Understanding with my Face ID. Gray has been an OG in the game. In fact, they will give you US dollar bank accounts. Okay, where you can see my US dollar bank account details. This is my name. This is my account number, check-in, ACH routing number, and the bank address. Okay, yeah. So these guys are doing well, and I love them too. Now, when I come to card right here, this is my card. Okay, and if you want to fund your card, you click on what? Add money. okay, and they will ask you where do you want to debit. Is it from the USD to USD, okay, or from Naira, or which one? So I select my Naira. This is my Nigerian Naira. Just come here and put $1 here. Let's put $1. Look at it. The rate is what? 1535.95. 1535.95. Good rate. Okay, good rate. Yeah. So that is for gray. Okay, yeah, that is for gray. Number 2 and second to the highest, I mean second to the best rate, second to the cheapest rate is Cardtonic. Yes, Cardtonic. These guys are, I think, pretty new, at least newer than the rest of the apps that I've mentioned in this video. So let us all take a look at what they got to offer in terms of the dollar virtual card. Okay, so I have Cardtonic right here. So I open my Cardtonic. Okay, so this is my Cardtonic account, and just like we said before, you come to dollar virtual card right here. Okay, yeah. Now I want to show you guys something, some details about this. Okay, the card creation fee is this. Okay, and you can proceed from here. But before then, click on this information and read something. Okay, now when you click on it, there are some details I want you to take note of. Now they say when you top up your Naira wallet to fund your dollar card, 1.5% service charge capped at 2,000 Naira will be applied, meaning that anytime you fund your card, there will be a 1.5% service charge, and the maximum is what? 2,000. So if you like fund, like let's say $10,000, the maximum they can charge is 2,000, or they can just be applying 1.5% fee. Now they said what? Card creation fee is what? $1.5. So $1.5 is, this is the equivalent. You can see it right here. $1.5 is this 2257. Let's go back to the calculator. 2257 point what? 0.50 divided by $1.5. Look at this. They are charging what? 1505. But this is not enough because they are still going to take what? Funding fee of 1.5%. There are still other information you need to take note of, because it says what? It says what? If, please note that the card is primarily designed for payment, and you need to withdraw. If you need to withdraw fund, a fee of 1% will apply. Okay, but also note that for transactions in other currencies other than USD, 2.5% of transaction fee will be charged. So take note of that. Okay, so this is the second cheapest. And number 1, the Odogu of all the 5 apps that we've mentioned, is Gigpay. Gigpay has been there for a very long time, and they've not dropped their standard for once. I love this app so much because apart from the virtual card, they also give international dollar accounts, which you can receive international payments into from any part of the world. The only issue is, well, let us talk about the virtual card first before we talk about that. Let me log on to my Gigpay account right now. This is Gigpay. This has been one of the oldest that I've been using for both my dollar virtual card and receiving international payments. Okay, yes, in terms of USD, because they offer a lot of things. Okay, you can see all accounts: Nigerian Naira, USD, Euro, British Pound. Now when I come to card right here, you can see this is my card, and also I have 2 virtual cards right here. So when you want to add fund, just click on add fund, and I want to fund from, okay, add fund to, I want to fund from my Nigerian Naira. And if I put $1 right here, I click on done, you can see that the rate is what? 1505. 1505.00. This is the cheapest. Now, I know most of us will love to create an account on Gigpay and also create their virtual card for your online payments. However, there is a small hurdle that you have to cross. And what is that hurdle? Gigpay usually asks for employer's detail. Yes, so you have to have an employment letter from a registered company, and not just a registered company. A company will also have a website, okay, that they can verify, stuff like that. And that is where it becomes hard for a lot of people, because some people, they're actually working, but they may not have an official employment letter, or they may not have an official employer's ID card, or maybe they work on their own and stuff like that, and they've not really gotten some of those details in place. Now, if you need an employer's detail or an employer's ID card, or other details that Gigpay may ask, like the website of your employer's detail, kindly send me a DM, okay, for us to talk about it. And everything we are doing here is legit, okay, legit and official, nothing illegal, no. So be ready to make a commitment. It is not free, Okay, at all. It is not free, but it is still affordable. So feel free to shoot me a DM on Instagram at waterfred1, TikTok, Twitter, or Telegram. And also note that apart from these things, you also need your means of identification. Yes, your means of identification, ID card, and your address verification. Okay, on your own part before you even get to the part of imputing or providing your employer's detail or employer's ID card and stuff like that. That is it, and there you have it. Okay, if you want to see your account details, come to accounts right here and you can see all your accounts, okay, the USD, and stuff like that. And if you want to create another one, you can come to create new. You can create your British pound account, your Eurobank account, okay, proceed from here. Thank you so much for watching till this point. Thank you so much for watching to the end. Let me know in the comments if you gained value in this video. Share, like, comment so other people too can gain true value just like the way you've gotten. And with that being said, I will see you, my friends, in my next video.